Good morning. Well, today I am near Blackwood in Victoria and I am heading out on an overnight hike. I'm not very experienced at this. I've been camping for years and years and years in all different setups, swags, tents, trailers, vans, what have you, but hiking is a whole new ball game for me. So if you have any tips or things that you think I could do better, please leave a comment below. But anyway, it's forecast for no rain today. It looks really nice. I'm hoping to camp by the river. So yeah, we'll see how we go. Just realised that I don't have my Garmin. I must have taken it off when I put my rain cover on. So I'm off to find it. Check this out. Can you see those ferns? It's just beautiful. Wouldn't want to fall down there though. It's quite a steep drop off. Pretty though. Well, I think I found my camp spot. Come and have a look at this. Oh, it feels funny not having my pack on. My own little waterfall. How beautiful is that? And that's a continuation of the river down that way. So I'm thinking that I'll pitch up here. Looking up, I don't think there's any branches that are going to come down, and that tree's leaning over this way. If that one comes down, well, I'm having a bad day. So this is me for the night. I've got my pack liner drying over there and my hat drying because it's saturated. It rained pretty much, or drizzled all the way in. I'm going to move some of these rocks a little bit closer to camp because there's mozzies. Hopefully the smoke will keep them away for a bit. Yeah, so there you go, this is me. a little walk while I'm waiting for my water to boil, and I came across this. It looks like someone's carved a seat many moons ago out of a tree. Pretty cool. And I don't want to get too close, but I'm thinking that's a wombat hole, so I might have a visitor in the middle of the night. For dinner tonight I have a Radix dehydrated barbecue beef meal. I also have some dehydrated zucchini noodles and some sour cream, so that should be nice. And I've already eaten my snack, but I do have a hot chocolate. So that's me for tonight. I am buggered, so I think I am going to sleep really well. Good morning. Well, that was a great night. I slept like a log. It was beautiful, not much wind. A little bit drizzly this morning and cold, but that's fine because it's keeping the mozzies away. I'm just making a cuppa and my breakfast, which is a Radix apple and cinnamon thing, and I bought some fresh berries, some raspberries to put on it, so that'll be nice. And then I'll slowly start thinking about packing up. It's Sunday morning, so I have all day. I'm not going to rush. So yeah. Well, I'm all packed up. About to head off. Take it easy. Slow walk back to the car. Fire's out. I've put about 5 litres of water on there, and I've taken all the rocks and put them back where I found them. Leave no trace. So what a great trip. Thank you so much for watching. Consider subscribing. We've got some good trips coming up. We're heading over to the York and Eyre Peninsula soon, so I can't wait for that. So yeah, thanks again for watching. Bye.